In this video, we'll guide you through how to edit and send an email in Gmail. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. We're in Gmail now, and as you can see, I've got an email composed. Now, let's go ahead and send it. But what if you need to edit it after sending? Here's how. Click Send, and immediately you'll see the Undo button at the bottom left. By default, you only have 5 seconds to click it, so make sure you do it quickly. Once you click Undo, the email will come back to your drafts, and you can edit it. For example, if you made a typo, go ahead and correct it, and then press Send again. Now, if you want more time to undo a sent email in the future, you can increase that time limit. To do this, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and then select See All Settings. Next, go to Undo Send, and you can increase the time limit to 30 seconds. After that, scroll down and click Save Changes. And that's it! You've successfully edited and resent an email in Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this helpful.